So to install Android Studio, these are the steps which you'll be following. So first of all, after downloading the file from the internet, you double click it, and then for the MacBook users, you just drag and drop it applications. You can replace if you have already existing one, and then it will automatically start processing all the files. Then after that, you will come here and command spacebar, then you search Android Studio, you'll find it here. So you'll get this. You can try, you just say open. After that, you will go to the next step, which is now the setup and the most important step. So let me just make it a bit bigger. Quite bigger. Yes, I think now you can see what I'm doing. So you just click next. Then for this case, we are going to use standard. No, just click next again. Still next. And then we'll finish. Let's finish. So this is going to be downloading all the files that you need. So let's give it some time. This might take some time, might take close to 10 minutes. So let's wait.